Hi guys, welcome back to my Amazing Kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my strawberry almond milk recipe with you. And this is so simple, guys. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. I have here some dates, some strawberry, and some almonds which I have soaked overnight. I'm quickly going to rinse the almonds because the water was a bit cloudy, obviously because it was soaked overnight. So I'm going to give it a quick rinse and set it aside. I'm also going to deseed my dates and set that aside as well. And as you can see, I have also cleaned and washed my strawberries. I then transferred everything into my blender, so the almonds, the dates, and the strawberries. And lastly, I added about 1 liter of fresh cold drinking water. And now all we need to do is to blend everything into a very smooth consistency. We want it very smooth, just like this. And now, over a bowl or any deep dish, we are going to strain our mixture. This is my nut milk bag I normally would have used to extract the milk, but I just want to show you that you don't need a nut milk bag to be able to do this. That's why I'm just going to use my colander and a clean cotton muslin cloth to extract the milk from the mixture. You have to make sure that your muslin cloth is big enough to hang over your bowl and your colander. You may also use a sieve in place of the colander if that's what you have available. After pouring the mixture into your colander, you can use a spoon to stir continuously like I'm doing to extract all the milk, and you are left with a chaff. You can also pull the excess that is hanging over your bowl to the top. You hold it tight and you begin to squeeze until all the milk is squeezed out. Make sure to use clean hands and squeeze everything so tight until you are left with a chaff. You can keep the chaff and use them in your smoothies because they contain a lot of fiber, or you can discard them. And there we have it, our strawberry almond milk. I'm going to bottle it and keep it in my fridge, and it's going to last me about 3 to 4 days. You can chill it and drink it as is, or you can use it for your cornflakes or any other thing you'd normally have used fresh milk for. And now, before the video ends, I quickly want to remind you that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.